Hare Krishna, welcome back to my channel. This video can help you read your entire life chart because it is hidden in the 12 houses. Ladies and gentlemen, when we divide the Akash in 12 divisions, we get 12 Rashis. But before that, we also have 12 Bhavas in Jyotisha. Everybody tells you that nakshatra was created by Lord Shiva and Rashis were created by Lord Vishnu. Planets were created by Brahma, but who created Bhavas? Bhavas were created by Bhavani, Ma Durga. All these planets, nakshatras, and Rashis, they had to have a medium from where they can settle down and manifest the karmas. And that template, that base, it became the 12 houses, 12 bhavas in your horoscope. In this video, I will tell you about all the 12 houses and their attributes. You see, Muni Parashar have defined these attributes of the houses in a very beautiful manner with respect to your daily routine. When Muni Parashar sat while facing towards Surya and connecting with the Surya, because Surya gives you true knowledge. So when he was sitting in the dhyana, connecting with the Surya, in the kriya to get all this knowledge, it was said that unki lagan lag gayi Surya ke saath. Now what is that lagan? Lagan is the connection between two mediums. So now first house is called your lagna. Why is it called your lagna? Because it is the connection between your mind and your soul. People say from the lagna we can see the body, your body structure. That is a very secondary prediction, ladies and gentlemen. But lagna is your connection between your mind and your soul and your heart. It is your intelligence, basically. How you will move around in your society. What would be your nature? Is it aggressive? Is it calm? It is depending upon your lagna. Now, lagna means when you wake up. It's your first house. When you wake up from your sleep, you identify yourself, your intelligence, that who you are. It's the first thing you feel, you see when you open your eyes. So once you have woken up, what do you do next? You see your family members, your wife if married, your children, your parents. What is it? This is your second house. Second house represents your family, kutumba. You wake up, you go to them, you say good morning, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, however you greet. You communicate with your family. So second house, यहाँ से हमारा दूसरा trait निकल के आया, your communication, वाणी. After that, your wife will come to you and she will ask, आज खाने में क्या बनाऊँ? Or if you are a student or a school going or an office going person, your mother will ask you, आज खाने में क्या भेजूँ बेटा? So third attribute, second house is house of food as well. You see how beautifully Muni Parashar is telling us the attributes with respect to a daily routine of a human being. After that, third house. It's the house of Parakram. Now, what is the first level of Parakram you need in your daily routine? That is taking a bath. In the cold regions where the temperatures goes up to 0 degrees and minus temperatures, you need very strong willpower, good parakram to go and take a shower. I've seen people who have Shani in their third houses. They are not good with their daily hygiene. They skip bathing. एक दिन छोड़ के, 2 दिन छोड़ के नहा लेंगे. You know, such traits. Having Mangal in your third house, you will wake up, you will quickly go take a shower, quickly get ready, and you're done for the work. यहीं पे अगर शनि आ जाता है, you will go slowly, you will check your clothes, you will take 15 minutes for shower, and then next 10 minutes for comb your hair, and then next another 15 minutes to dress up, slowly. So the third house is your parakram bhava, when you need to initiate something. Everything around you at this time becomes a difficult situation. You're in a hurry to go to your office. Children are shouting, "Give me my lunch," or your parents are asking for tea. So it's a turbulent situation, right? A lot of communication happening. People saying, "Ye kar lo, wo kar lo, yahan jao, wahan jao." So, second house was your Vani. And third house is what you will communicate. And also, third house is for your siblings. So once you're ready to leave for your work or your school, after that it comes the fourth house, Chaturtha Bhava. Now fourth house is house of comfort. Once everybody leaves for offices and schools, the mother is now a little bit comfortable, or your housewife. You are sitting in your car, your luxury car, or what type of car, that will depend upon the planet in that house. Shukra will give you luxurious cars, luxurious house. Saturn will give you second hand cars, not very luxury cars. So, how you go to your office, how comfortable your environment is, what type of car you drive, what type of house do you live in, how much comforts do you have around yourself is your Chaturtha Bhava, fourth house. After that, fifth house. You are waiting in your office and you see that there is a very beautiful girl sitting right next to you. You say, "Oh, she's so beautiful." Fifth house, the house of love and romance. On the other hand, if you are married, before going to your office, you will go drop your kids to the school. Fifth house is also the house of children, education, your creativity, mantra shastra. Everything is related to this fifth house. So once you're in your office, you're doing your work, you've acquired your talents, you've acquired your skills, and you're putting those skills down, then there come problems. Out of nowhere, your enemies will come out. And to fight those enemies, you will have litigations, a lot of money being spent from your side. After that, you will face health issues. All of this thing going on might give you a headache or might activate your IBS. All of these things are represented by sixth house. Rog, Shog, Karza, Rin, Bimari, Shatru, everything is sixth house. All the problems in your life is sixth house. Your job is seen from your sixth house. So once you've come out of those problems, those litigations, now everybody wants to be your partner, or you will want to get married now. You see, seventh house, Saptam Bhava, is the house of partnerships, marriage, your daily income. After you are out of those problems, now you start your income, your daily income. People want to partner with you. Hence, seventh house is house of partnership. Now that you've gotten married, you will have your extended family. As I just told in this video, second from first is your family, and second from seventh is your spouse's family, which is your in laws. So, what type of in laws will you be getting is seen from the eighth house. What planets are sitting in the eighth house, favorable or unfavorable, will decide your life after marriage, your in laws after marriage. Also, all the hidden blessings, the hidden things in your life is seen from the eighth house, Ashtam Bhava. Now, see, marriage, partnership, everything is also a difficult task. it drains you. Okay, now you are tired. Also, the energies from sixth house have also drained you. Now, what do you want? You would want a guru, a direction. Then it comes the ninth house. Your guru, your father. Now, Krishna, as your guru in ninth house, will tell you to follow some protocols, make some rules in your life, follow the Dharma. So, ninth house will bring Dharma, protocols. Now, Krishna will tell you that, okay, you do karma, I will take care of the results. If you've read Gita, the first shloka of Gita is Karma Kshetre Kurukshetre. I've seen people who have Saturn and Jupiter as a conjunction or a combination. These people, they've always take their karma and their dharma together. So ninth house is the house of dharma. And right next to it, 10th house, which Krishna tells you to do, is your karma, your karma sthan. It's a war zone. You would want to work in here, work hard. Okay, so 10th house, Dasham Bhava, is the house of work, your workplace, a war zone. Again, a difficult house. After that, you worked hard. Now is the time that you will get good praise from your friends, your society. You will get gains from working hard. That is 11th house for you. 11th house is the gains, your friends, your social circle. This is all about the 11th house. After everything is done, you would want to come back home, relax a bit, and sleep. Ladies and gentlemen, 12th house is the house of sleep, your bedroom, the sexual pleasures, bed pleasures for all the married people out there. Or if I talk about on a higher plane, 12th house is the house of moksha, liberation, death. So this is what 12th house is. You see how beautifully Muni Parashar have given all these attributes to 12 houses as per your daily routine. That is how all the houses from 1 to 12 moving anti-clockwise plays a very important role in your everyday life. These houses are the place where the karma will settle down, which is from your past life. So, this is how important all the 12 houses are if you want to give prediction, if you want to learn Jyotisha. I hope आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. I will come up with more such learning videos. Till then, Hare Krishna.